Welcome back to my YouTube channel Lux Insider with Anita Khatri. Today I'm in the vibrant city of Barcelona, and if you are a frequent traveler like me, you need to know which watches are the best when you are traveling. Now, when you travel, the watch function is beyond aesthetics. It's no longer only aesthetics, it's the functionality, it's reliability, comfort over and above that. Let's dive deeper and I will suggest and recommend which watches you need to wear. When one travels, the watch needs to not only track the different time zones, it has to be comfortable all through the day. It has to be convenient and perfect from meetings into the evening dinners, and above everything, it has to not take away and add to the stress, but be comfortable. And that's why I put together some of the GMT, the dwell time watches together, the wearability of it, the dial size, straps, versatility. Often, when you say GMT, you think of GMT Master Rolex, isn't it? But then there is Breitling Navy Timer, there is also Omega Seamaster, and we are talking about GMT. So, what exactly is GMT? GMT stands for Greenwich Mean Time. It's the time at Royal Observatory, London, which is zero longitude. Now, GMT watch generally has an additional hand. So, the main hands of the watch show you the local home time, and the 24-hour hand shows you any other time zone. So, you're talking about tracking two time zones. I personally don't have a GMT watch and I should invest in one. But meanwhile, I would like to talk about my watch, which is, I find it very simple and convenient. Now, there are two time zones here. It's a quartz watch, but it is very clear. There are two dials here in the main dial. So I find this perfect. When you're traveling with a GMT watch, it's more to do with the watch has to not really add stress to you, and therefore I prefer a watch which is around when it comes to dial size, it is around 36 to 39 max, sometimes 40 mm. uh, like large dials will get a little bit complicated. Large dials are not easy to manage, and therefore we prefer dial size should be just a comfortable sweet dial size, which is 36 to 39 mm, sometimes 40 also. It all depends on your wrist. When it comes to the strap of a watch, normally preference should be a rubber strap. Rubber strap, not really leather strap, but I do travel often with my Cartier tank, and it's because of its versatility. So it all depends. Sometimes versatility, of course, will score over everything else, but for a GMT watch, generally a rubber strap is the most preferred strap. I would say that a frequent traveler's watch should support your pace and not add on to your stress. I'm sure you agree on that. A frequent traveler's watch should be less complicated. It should be easy, comfortable. It should have more nude colors, smaller dials, versatile. In all, I hope you enjoyed watching this episode as much as I have taken joy to put this together. If you like real-time content, do let me know in the comments below. I will bring you more. And do not forget to press the like button. And of course, you should subscribe the channel if you have not already. Thank you.